Hello everyone. This is Mohammed Imran from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Today we have an important update on gold and silver to be made. As we have seen that in last fortnight, gold and silver prices have rallied, and year till date silver prices are up by 80% and gold prices are up by 50%. And we want to convey that why we expect that gold and silver rally will continue. As we have seen that world is going through trade tensions and trade war inflicted by US president's war against China on trade front. This is the trickiest thing going ahead between US and China that will continue to support gold and silver rally in year 2026. As we have seen that for the past 4 years, silver market remain in deficit, and year 2025, which is going to be its fifth year of consecutive deficit, is having a strong industrial demand for 3% in year 2025. And we expect that newest technologies like clean energy and green energy, new energy vehicles are going to be the driving force for silver demand. As of now, we are seeing that the spot market for silver are having a higher premiums than future market, and this is because the short term supply is squeeze. We are seeing that leasing rate in London remains at 40% per annum, where it remains on an average around 2 to 3%. While in gold, we expect that geopolitical tensions like Middle East and Russia Ukraine war and US China trade war will have a larger impact on the central bank's demand for gold holdings in the year 2026 as well. On silver front, we have seen that silver ETFs has surged up around 71% this year and expected to move higher further. The other factor which is going to drive gold prices higher are the central bank's rate cuts. We expect that US Fed will see another rate cut in the October 28th and 29th FOMC, and another 25 basis rate cut is expected in the December FOMC. These are the leading factors which will drive gold prices higher. The other factor for gold and silver prices to remain higher in the Indian context is the depreciation of rupee. We have seen that in last 10 years, Indian rupee has depreciated at the rate of 3% CAGR. The other factor to drive gold and silver higher are the easy monetary policies from the global central banks. We have seen that ECB as well as Japanese central bank and US federal bank are expected to cut down their interest rates, and that will bring more liquidity into the market and expectation of a higher inflation. We have seen that in Europe inflation is moving higher, and even in US the core inflation is seen getting higher because of the trade war. We expect gold prices to move closer to $5,000 per ounce by the end of 2026. Going ahead, we expect that China will have its annual plenum meeting on 23rd and 24th of October. This could have an additional volatility into gold and silver market, as well as the expected meeting of US President and Chinese Premier in South Korea later this month. This could also lead to a higher volatility into the global markets. For more commodity updates, kindly stay tuned to our channel.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.